What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm meeting up with the homies, meeting up with Franz and Ryan. I know y'all haven't seen, actually both of them in a little while, especially Franz. He's been a little MIA on grind mode, but yeah, we're gonna link up at Speed Zone. I'm not sure if we are gonna be able to talk about exactly why we're going there just yet. I'm gonna double check once we get there, but without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. Oh, also, double check. Don't forget, I got the link in the description below for all the merch. We can do custom shirts, custom stickers, custom masks, a whole bunch of stuff. So definitely check out the link in the description below. Alright, so we just got here. A little late, so I missed what was coming for, but I still got to get some pictures and stuff for that. And it's going to be held a secret, so we'll keep it at that. But yeah, as you see, haven't seen Bandit in a minute, so let me go ahead. Looks like you gotta wash the wheels a little bit, but got the pipes. And the homie Ryan showed up, and his brother as well. Some pretty dope cars out here. I see you got the wheels back on the Lexus, so that's cool. Yeah, we pretty much just chop it up right now, going over some ideas on what we're gonna do. I'm really thinking about another wheel setup or color change, but I'm trying to resist because I still like the set. Maybe just get some wider ones in the rear. I don't know, because that'd be a lot cheaper just buying two wheels instead of buying a whole set. I don't know.
It's gonna look different because of the weather look on your wheels.
That,
brand new look.
That's true.
When them sit out in the sun, they get lighter.
Yeah, that is true. Cause it's almost 2 year old, I think.
But
so
that's where getting them wrapped or getting them painted come into play.
yeah. See if we can see it.
You know it too.
Pretty dope. Yeah. Definitely got a lot of things in motion here. Think about switch it up, get some stickers around that color. Maybe redo that one. I don't know if I'm gonna redo the Speed Zone or not. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. If I should do the same glue to match the brakes, or if I should do ones to match the wheels, or if I should leave it the same for those couple stickers. That's cool. But yeah, audio setup coming soon. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, this video kind of just hanging out, chilling, talking and stuff. Oh, also, while I'm here, homie Rusty selling this. I'll put a link in the description below if he has the post still up, selling it. It won't come with those wheels, it'll have the stock wheels, but right hand drive, R33 automatic. So yeah, it's pretty clean, as you can tell. Well, can kind of see, but it's automatic. Of course, right hand drive. But yeah, definitely hit them up if you are interested. Alright, so that was a quick little get together. One of the homies is getting something new here. Don't want to really say it just yet. I'm gonna kind of hold off on it, but the video for that will probably be coming in a few weeks or so. Also coming up, we're gonna be doing they're gonna be doing an install for Franz's car so he can do his underglow. I know he won that kit. He was the first one to win when we did the first giveaway. finally gonna get that installed here next week, so video for that coming soon. May have a couple car meet videos coming up as well. Hopefully we can get a night meet in as well. Okay, so I actually ended the video already, but realized it was pretty short, so I'm going to meet up with the homies again today. Luis is dropping off his car, B-Rad Max 20. He's dropping off his Maxima to Ryan's house, so I'm gonna roll over there, drop off some stickers I got for him, as well as just kind of hang out and see what's going on. He's getting some work done, so let's go ahead and head on over there and continue this video. Alright, so just got here. Hey, Kiwi. What's up, Kiwi? How you doing? How you doing? Somebody wants attention. But yeah, just pulling up. Ryan's chilling, parked here. Luis just pulled up. B-Rad Max 20 himself. His brother's car here. Nissan's deep here. So they kind of going over basically the new project, what's going on, what they about to do. So it's gonna be interesting.
Because what I want to do is,
Plus I just got him some new stickers, so he'll be able to put those on. So stay tuned for that too. We're going over gonna get some nice lights in the trunk. More like the Starry Night type of theme. So that's gonna be pretty dope. Especially the other plans he has for the car. It's gonna be perfect. Just wait on it. It's gonna be perfect. And here are the stickers I made for him.
I just got these kick plates that light up.
1 hour later.
Sounds good. Nice startup. Let's see. It's aired up all the way. About to hit him with the full air out. Perfect. So good. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Whenever everything's done, of course we'll go ahead and do a follow-up and make sure we got basically what was done here. Also coming up, we got the little project from when we went to Speed Zone yesterday. That'll be finished and shown pretty soon as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing my rotors here pretty soon. I know R1 had a Friday special deal, Black Friday deal, so jumped on that. These should be showing up here pretty soon, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Other than that, keep an eye out for some audio deals, because I do want to get an audio set up for here, because I don't even have the Bose set up, so it's not the best in here. So I definitely need to upgrade that, as well as this head unit, because the stock one it's okay, but it's not really that great. I definitely want to be able to get navigation and all that stuff on there, and the Android Auto, so that's coming soon as well. Also, don't forget, merch link in the description below. You can get your only Nissans, Infiniti, or Datsun shirts, as well as custom shirts, and we got a whole bunch of stuff on the website, so definitely take a look. Hoodies and masks and stickers, you name it. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.